totally get how.
Yo!
Like that?
There's a local on the edge.
Weekend mornings starting at 9 on Weekend Recharge.
Yeah, Brentwood.
A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect.
Yeah, this is dangerous.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Currently in our area, 74 degrees under mostly cloudy skies.
There's people watching. See where that red is?
Tonight, thunderstorms likely. A few storms may be severe.
Right now,
Low,
but it's gonna
63.
move into the Pittsburgh area. Downtown.
Sunday, windy with morning
They
thunderstorms.
said
High
Arlington
73.
Avenue, East
Higher
Carson
wind gusts
Street, West
possible.
Carson Street. Over the airport.
Here's our
It's
seven-day
it's
outlook.
at the airport too, the warning. Alright, it should be coming on next.
Oh, I know. I know what to do.
Our extended coverage of a severe weather threat that is ongoing at this point. I want to take a live look at Pittsburgh now. We have a tornado warning just to the west of Pittsburgh. Actually, we do not have that shot of Pittsburgh, but we do have a tornado warning.
A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
Tornado warning right now. It's going to be continuing to move east, and you see it here just to the west of Pittsburgh. Cities Island Creek, Steubenville, and Weirton. If you are in those cities, I want you to get in your safe places. Tornado warning lasting until 4:15 Eastern time. Timing it out for you is 4:17 around the Robinson area, 4:28. Could be approaching Pittsburgh by 4:47,
right there.
Huntington
We're right
and
there.
Latrobe by 5:10.
We're
So
right
this
there.
is